Hello guys, hello, and welcome to another video. In this one, we are currently here on Pinterest with this cat about to punch us. So, what is our tutorial for today? Well, that's gonna be how you can download videos in Pinterest. Now, there's there's not currently any feature in Pinterest that will allow you to download any videos, but there are ways, and there's one way that I'm gonna be showing you in this video for today, and that's by using third-party applications. So what do I mean by that? So let's say I'm going to search up videos, which is this one. So these are the videos that you can find on Canva, and I want to download one of them. For example, this video of Jake listening to music alone. What I would just do is just click on the triple dots here, click on copy link, and now the link has been copied to the video. I'm gonna go online and go to websites such as this one, Pinterest to MP4 converter, or just choose what file type you want to use for your video. Let's say I'm going to use it for MP4. So I'm just going to go and use one of these websites, Pinterest video downloader. So I'm just going to paste the link that I've copied from earlier and just click on download, and then we wait, and you actually see now the video here. Basically what we need to do now is you can just click on this one here, on the triple dots here, and click on download, and it should start downloading your video, and you just downloaded the video from Pinterest just like that. Is now on your device. So yeah, I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.